What is hackathon? Where can I find these hackathon? Who is hackathon? If you are someone who has the exact same questions in your mind, then this particular video covers that. Starting from what's a hackathon is, how to participate in a hackathon, and what are the benefits that we could get in a hackathon, and what skills do we actually need to participate in a hackathon. Every single thing will be covered in this particular video. If you are someone who is new to this particular channel, this is me, Astin Ashwin. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Let's begin with what is a hackathon. A hackathon is a short event, usually 24 hours to 72 hours, in which individuals or a team they come together to build a tech-based solution, or basically to build a project related to a theme. So what do we mean by theme? It can be a finance related project, it can be healthcare related project, it can be related to blockchain, etc. Say for example, if the theme of the hackathon is finance, in that case you have to build projects that solves the problem in this particular finance industry. Say for example, you can build a finance tracking application, a bill splitting app. At the end, you have to have a working prototype to present it as a demo to the judge. So based on that, results will be declared. And make sure that you guys carry a pillow and a blanket when you're going to attend a hackathon. Now, let's talk about what are the common hackathon themes. In general, the common hackathon themes could be related to finance, education, healthcare, AI ML, Web3 or crypto, and open innovation. So in open innovation hackathons, there is no like such thing like problem statement or something like that. You are allowed to build anything as you wish. Now, let's focus on the benefits of attending a hackathon. In a hackathon, as mentioned, we are going to build projects. So these projects, you can showcase it in your resume. So that's the very first and very most important thing of attending a hackathon. Other than this, you get certificate of participation and you get the opportunity to interact with fellow students who share the similar goals as you. So you can network with them as well. And if you secure the first three spots in a hackathon, then you will be winning prizes and cash rewards as well. Other than this, most important thing is that who conducts these hackathons or who organizes these hackathons. This can be organized by two set of people. Number one, by college itself. Number two is that a particular company organizes these hackathons. When a particular company they organizes these hackathon, they are more likely to recruit from that hackathon. Let's say the very first team who wins the hackathon, they may get an opportunity to get an internship or a job at that particular company if it was organized by a company. If it was organized in a college level, you will win prizes, exciting rewards. Most importantly, whether you win or not, you get free food. So don't miss that. Now let's focus on the things that we need to participate in a hackathon. The number one thing is that you need to know development. That is either web development or app development. You don't have to know both of these, any one would work. And what you can do is that you can start learning this. One such resource I could recommend is that free code camp YouTube channel. Also they have their own website and almost all resources are available in YouTube itself. The next skill is storytelling. So before developing, you will present your idea to the judge. In that case, you need storytelling skill and this could help you a lot. And the other optional skills which include UI UX design and AI/ML. It is good to know and it is optional. What happens during a hackathon? The initial process is going to be an opening ceremony in which they will discuss the theme, rules and timeline of that particular hackathon. After that, you have to form a team. Let's say if you don't have a team already, in that case only you have to form a team. After that, you have to come up with an idea for that particular theme. And then you have to start with the development part. That is, you have to start with coding. And then after coding, you just need to submit it. And after the submission, the judge, they will evaluate your submission. After that, based on the submission, they will announce the results, and awards will be given for the first three places in general cases. So that is going to be the exact process in most of the hackathons. Now let's focus on what you need to prepare before your first hackathon. Very first thing is that you have to set your GitHub and IDE. What is GitHub? This is an online platform that is used to collaborate with your teammates. When you are working in team, they use GitHub to collaborate for collaboration purpose. And what is an IDE? It's just an editor where you have to type your code. That's it. And you have to learn basic git commands. What is git? Git commands is used to, let's say, work with GitHub. We can assume that it is these commands help us to work in GitHub. And where can you learn this git and GitHub? You can just go to YouTube. In the search bar, just type in git and GitHub tutorial. There are a lot of tutorials available. You can learn from that. After that, you have to learn one front-end technology. Let's say if you're going with web development, in that case you have to learn one front-end and one back-end. That covers HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Express, Node.js. Again, you can just go to YouTube and you can find the best resources out there. And don't look for best resources, right? Just go learn something, learn the basics of it, and just start building. Other than that, storytelling, as we discussed. Know how to pitch ideas. Usually, you have to prepare 3 or 4 slides discussing about the problems that you are solving, and then form a small team. That's it. Now, some general tips to win a hackathon. Keep it simple but useful. There is a principle we call in software industry called KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. Don't make your project more complicated. What do we mean by that? Just focus on one particular pain point and solve it. That's it. Don't add up more and more feature to your product. And then, as we discussed, you have to solve some problem that is crucial in terms of that particular theme. And then you should have a proper working prototype so that you can give a proper demo to the judges. And then pitch with confidence and clarity. Other than this, importantly, your design matters. That is how your application looks, that matters a lot too. So work on that thing as well. Now, you might have this question: where can I find these hackathons? We have online platforms for this purpose. Some examples are DevPost, HackerEarth, DevFolio, which is India focused, and then MLH.io, something globally. I'm hearing it for the first time as well. Okay. Other than that, you have college level hackathons. So these are actively posted on LinkedIn and Instagram as well. So be active on these platforms. Now, you don't have to participate every hackathons, just participate every single hackathon that occurs in college level. That is a mandatory thing. Keep that in mind. And other than that, if you are more interested in working more and more projects, then you can explore further opportunities as well. So that's it about the video. Hope you guys find this video useful, and do let me know in the comment section about that, and see you soon in some other video. Bye bye.